Rohit wishes to make an umbrella by stitching together 8 triangular pieces of cloth. How much cloth is needed for an umbrella? This means we have to find the area of required cloth. So let's calculate how much cloth is required. Now, each triangular piece of cloth is measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. How is the umbrella made? These 8 pieces of cloth need to be stitched together and put on an umbrella frame. Coming to triangular piece of cloth, as we see, the two sides are equal. Thus, we can say each piece of it is an isosceles triangle. Now, let us use Heron's formula to find the area of the outer surface of the umbrella. So here, A, which denotes the area of the triangle, is equal to the square root of S multiplied by S minus A multiplied by S minus B multiplied by S minus C, where S is equal to the semi-perimeter of the triangle. It is half the perimeter of the triangle. A plus B plus C is the perimeter. So, semi-perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. For each triangular piece, the perimeter would be the sum of 3 sides. So, the perimeter is equal to 50 plus 20 plus 50. S, the semi-perimeter, is 50 plus 20 plus 50 by 2. That is half of the perimeter, and this is equal to 120 by 2, which is equal to 60 centimeter. Now, let us put the values of A, B, C and S in the formula. S we calculated as 60 centimeter. A, B and C are the 3 sides, and we know they are equal to 50, 20 and 50 respectively. A is equal to square root of 60 multiplied by 60 minus 50 multiplied by 60 minus 20 multiplied by 60 minus 50. This could be further simplified. 60 minus 50 is 10, 60 minus 20 is 40, 60 minus 50 is 10. So, we say A is equal to square root of 60 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 40 multiplied by 10. As there are 2 tens under the square root, we can take 1 10 out, and 60 can be written as 6 into 10 and 40 can also be written as 4 into 10. So again, square root of 100 is 10. So we take out one more 10 outside the square root. And now only 6 and 4 remain inside the square root. Square root of 4 is 2. So 2 will also come outside the square root. Now only 6 is remaining inside the square root. So the area of one triangular piece would be 200 square root of 6 square centimeter, as all the sides are given in centimeter. Now 8 such triangular pieces of cloth are required to make an umbrella, and now we know the area of one triangular piece. So the total area of cloth required would be 8 times the area of one piece of cloth. This would be equal to 200 square root of 6 multiplied by 8. This equals to 1600 square root of 6 square centimeter. So we see we used Heron's formula to calculate the amount of cloth required to make an umbrella.